Another trick for if you're feeling that there's just too much going on back here is you can bring in a third pickup stick and you can pick up your pattern on the front. I'm just going to remove this bead temporarily. I've got my 1 up, 2 down, 4 up, 2 down, 4 up, all the way across. And you could insert your paper in on the front as well if you're feeling like it's hard to differentiate between the slots and the holes. And then you can take this pickup stick, tip it on its side, which will create this same space on the back side of your heddle, and then just glide your pickup stick B or A, depending what pickup stick you're on, in behind the heddle.